Hi there, thanks for stopping by. Today, Ryan and I will go through Graco Pack and Play. We're going to cover these topics. This is one of the popular pack and play in the market. Actually, for the first few months of Ryan's birth, we also use this as a crib. So no need to get a new crib and you can save some money here. Let's jump into it. Coming up. What's up guys, my name is Amir and this is my associate Raya. Let's start with the quick unboxing. We want to make sure we have all the parts required for the assembly. Pull the legs apart like this. Make sure the center with the red tab is up. Pull the sidebars up and make sure you hear the click sound. I suggest doing the opposite sides at the same time. Push the centerpiece down and make it sure it locks. Now we have a stable structure. An important tip is to not push the center down before locking the side arms. These simple tips will save you lots of headaches. Perhaps if you just want to remember one point out of this video, this would be it. Now we put the padding. Later in the video, I cover the mattress and fitted sheets in more detail, so stay tuned as we focus on the assembly for now. The softer side of the padding should be up. This side with the straps should be pointing down. Now we use the straps under the mattress to secure the pad. I suggest turning the pack and play to the side. First take this strap from the side with the shorter length through this opening on the bottom side. Fasten this to the bottom of the pack and play. Then, take the straps on the padding with the snaps at the end from the corners. Fasten them to the bottom base. Make sure you attach all the four corners. Turn it. Now you have the fully assembled pack and play. Once assembled, this is what it looks like. In this step, we assemble and install the bassinet. Grab the bassinet and unfold this. Now you want to make sure these rods are like this. Insert the taper end to the other side. Make sure it's secured. Repeat this for the other side. Next, we fasten the bassinet inside the pack and play using these clips. Make sure all of them are secure before the next step. We have to do this before placing the pad in the bassinet. Take the pad and put this inside the bassinet. The softer side of the padding should be up. This side with the strap should be down. As you can see, the surface of the bassinet mode is higher and this makes it easier to take the baby in and out. In order to take down the pack and play, disconnect the mattress pad and remove it. It's important to first pull the center with the red tab up to unlock before you collapse the sides. Stop after you hear the click. To collapse the sides, push the buttons on the sides. A useful tip when you collapse the side, first lift the lift up a little before pressing the bottom. It helps to release the lock. Then put all the legs together like this. Wrap the mattress pad around it like this. Make sure the cushion side is inside. Use the straps to keep it tight. Bag it and you're ready to go. Just make sure the handle is out of the bag. The mattress pad is a little scratchy. I highly suggest getting a fitted sheet. Or actually, since you're at it, you may want to buy a couple of sheets as the incident happened. I put links to the sheets that fit the pack and play in the description below. Most of us, or at least some of us, thought that when you get the pack and play, you just have one option for the mattress and can only use the firm pad that comes in the box. The thing is, the mattress pad that comes with the product is intentionally designed thin and firm for the safety benefit of infants and newborns. However, as the baby grows older and becomes a toddler, he or she may appreciate the comfort and support of a better mattresses. You also would appreciate the longer nap that they take in a more comfortable mattress. I saw two options that our friends got that fit the Graco pack and play, and we also like them a lot. We are planning to get one of these two. Both of them are Amazon choice as well. I put the link in the description below. One of our friends bought another pad that was not a fit for the pack and play. It was short on one side, which created a gap. She was very upset as her daughter got stuck in the gap once. First option is the Milliard Tri-Fold Pack and Play mattress. This is made of high-density foam and provides a balance between firm support and soft comfort, so your little one can sleep better. You can too. I especially like the portability of this, as you can easily fold up the mattress into a carry bag that comes with it for free. So you can easily store or travel with your mattress. If you think you will travel often, I would recommend this one. The second option is Dream On Me 3-inch foam pack and play mattress. While it does not have the portability of other mattresses, however, this seems to be somewhat more comfortable. This mattress is thick and cozy. It is covered in a plastic-like material that makes cleaning it easy with just a wipe. So I'm curious, which one of these mattresses do you prefer? Leave a comment below and let me know. And by the way, if you're getting value out of this video, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thanks for the support and you have a good one.